There is no trust more sacred than the one the world holds with children. There is no duty more important than ensuring that their rights are respected, that their welfare is protected, that their lives are free from fear and want, and that they can grow up in peace. The World Kofi Annan talks about giving our children. Is it even minimally possible if our children do not go to school? Rather, if our children cannot go to school. It's a complicated web of circumstances: poverty and child labour, illiteracy among parents, overpopulation, and a free government schooling system that has become dysfunctional in terms of infrastructure over the years. The education inequity in India is extreme. The poor versus the rich, the urban versus the rural, city poor versus the rural poor versus the poor students who live in remote rural areas, not to mention the education of the unwanted daughters versus sons. The latest Education for All Global Monitoring Report of UNESCO says nearly 1 crore and 40 lakh Indian children in the age group of 6 to 11 are out of school. That is why it is so crucial to highlight this School of Hope, a small government institute in Chennai that is able to bring back out-of-school children to classrooms with the help of the NDTV Coca-Cola Support My School campaign.
Through Support My School, World Vision India has done so many good things. For example, boys' toilets with proper urinals and purified drinking water with the help of Zero B. And beautiful garden we have with red sand and herbal plants. Our attendance is increasing this year after the Support My School project.
The Support My School mantra is simple. Schools are not just about exams and studies, but holistic education in a holistic environment. However poor students are, they have no desire or initiative to come to a school that has no functioning toilets, no drinking water, no place to play, crumbling classrooms, and not enough teachers. So, Support My School transforms school environs with facilities, making it attractive for children and helps recruit teachers in vacant positions.
Our vision and mission is to reach out to as many schools as possible with having as many more partners as possible. So if currently we have completed 370 schools by season 2, so I would say with 100 partners, now I want to translate them in season 3 to 650 schools with 150 partners. And then by 2016, my mission would be to convert that number into 1,000 schools and reaching out to at least 330,000 children.
In my school, said a motivational talk in KK Nagar school, and we contributed to that school and for renovating the restrooms because they don't have good restrooms. So we renovated it and we gave motivational talks to say that how do we live life for that youngsters, that 15, 16, what the problems they would face and how to overcome that. At my age, I'm motivating the other students of my same age. So it's a great thing, it's not a difficult thing.
A transformation partner for SMS in Chennai is World Vision India.
In season 3, learned quite a few lessons from season 2. Some of our big additions in season 3 is in the area of recreation, in the area of sports facilities for children, improving the overall beauty of the place, We have invested a lot. We are also using this to strengthen the school infrastructure in terms of Support My School, involving children in making sure they monitor the effectiveness of these facilities.
Far from Tamil Nadu, another success story in Haryana. Here, the campaign has turned around the government middle school Pabsara so effectively that it has been able to give life to a mini education campaign for girls.
आप रोज इस स्कूल में भेजा करो, कितना कुछ कर सकती है स्कूल में जाकर, कितनी सुविधा हो गई है। लड़कों के बाथरूम अलग, लड़कियों के बाथरूम अलग, इतनी सुविधा दे रहा है कि सरकार की आप अपनी लड़की को स्कूल में भेजे, फिर भी आप भेजते नहीं इसको।
This is the Meena Manch, comprising students of the SMS Government Middle School. For all children to receive elementary education, our girls must reach schools. They live in a biased world where boys are given education and a larger share of the food. They are made to stay home, tend to the cattle, fetch water and take care of household chores. They are also forced into child labor.
लड़कियों की संख्या जो है कम होती जा रही थी और हमने महसूस किया 2011 के अंदर कि भाई मीना मंच का एक गठन किया जाए और मीना मंच की एक स्टोरी थी, कहानी थी, उससे हमने प्रेरित होकर के जो है मीना मंच का गठन किया और मीना मंच के द्वारा ही हम लड़कियों को इकट्ठा करके उनको समझाते हैं कि भाई जो लड़कियां बीच में पढ़ाई छोड़ देती हैं उनको हमने शिक्षा से जोड़ना है। इसमें ज़्यादातर बच्चे जो है मजदूर जो काम करते हैं उनके बच्चे हैं और पेरेंट्स ये चाहते हैं कि हमारे उनके बच्चे भी उनके साथ जाके मजदूरी करें ताकि घर में और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इनकम आए।
India's Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan or the Education for All program understands that education for the girl child requires changes not only in the schooling system but also in our attitude and social structure. So it has adopted a pull and push strategy. The pull strategy makes school going more conducive for girls. It includes financial and non-financial incentives. The Meena Manch model is part of the push factor. It's created with girl students from within a community. They go door to door encouraging parents to send their daughters to school.
लड़कियां बड़ी होगी और घर में काम करेंगी, सहयोग करेंगी, हमारा स्कूल जाने से तो कोई फायदा ही नहीं, ये सोचते हैं ना गांव वाले तो।
One of the biggest challenges, the family elders don't support girls' education.
लड़कियां एक कुल को नहीं बल्कि दो कुल को रोशन करती है। वो अपने ससुराल में जाएगी, किसी के हाथ नहीं फैलाना पड़ेगा उसे, अपने पैरों पे खड़ी होगी, किसी के आगे तो हाथ नहीं फैलाना पड़ेगा उसे, अपने बच्चों को शिक्षा दे पाएगी वो।
मुझे हम तो चाहते हैं भाई बहुत पढ़कर आगे बढ़े, स्कूल जाए, तो स्कूल में तो मैं रहने नहीं देती। फिर इसकी दादी है जी, वो थोड़ी सी कंट्रोल में नहीं रखती, वो मेरे को भी बहुत पीटती है, छुपा के भेजती हूँ मैं स्कूल में।
Also, since the honor of a family is tied to a girl, they don't want to take the risk of sending girls alone to schools, walking long distances.
नहीं जैसे कॉलेज वगैरह जाना पड़ा, फिर वो ठीक माहौल ठीक नहीं ना।
कि माहौल में क्या दिक्कत है, क्या परेशानी
बच्चे आने जाने परेशानी तो पूरी है।
कहते हैं कि नहीं, वो पढ़ी लिखी होगी तो काम की तो कभी भी सीख लेगी, लेकिन पढ़ी लिखी होगी तो किसी आगे हाथ उसे फैलाने नहीं पड़ेगा, अपने पैरों पे तो खड़ी हो सकेगी।
मेरी मम्मी ये बोल रही थी कि 8वीं के बाद पढ़ना नहीं है, तेरे को सिलाई सीखनी है, ऐसी ये बोल रही थी मेरी मम्मी।
क्यों ऐसा क्यों बोला मम्मी ने?
मैं सिलाई सीख लिया, हम मुझे खुली नहीं भेजेंगे आगे।
The lives of the girls whose parents now support their schooling, especially the members of Meena Manch, is a study in contrast.
हाँ, जब तक पढ़ेगी जब तक पढ़ाएंगे, कोर्स भी करेगी, कोर्स भी करवाएंगे।
कॉलेज जाएगी तो?
हाँ।
आप लोग कॉलेज भी जाएगी तो?
हाँ, कॉलेज भी जाएगी तो जब तक इसका मन करेगा जब तक पढ़ाएंगे। हाँ, जो मैं नहीं कर पाई वो मेरी बेटी करे।
मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरी बेटी बड़ी होकर अच्छा पढ़ लिख के डॉक्टर बने।
This incredible story of girls going back to the school in Pabsara could not have been possible without the intervention of the Support My School campaign. Coming up next, that transformation story.
रुके से ना रुके हम, मर्जी से चले हम, बादल सा गरजे हम, सावन सा बरसे हम, सूरज सा चमके हम, स्कूल चले हम, स्कूल चले हम